Good evening everyone. The next lock that I will attempt to open is the one that came in the package from Boston Bill. It's this Mul T Lock padlock. It's a 7-pinner and there are no pin-in-pin, so that makes it a little bit easier. The padlock is ball bearing and you can see it's completely disassemblable, and I will first try to pick it in some decent amount of time, and then I will attempt to cut it properly so that we can see what's inside. So let's have a look. Oops. So okay, 1 and 2 were springy, 3 is the first one. 2 gave a small click, now 1 is giving a small click. That was number 4. That was number 6 and gave a little bit of rotation on the core. That was number 7, gave a small rotation on the core as well. That was number 4, I think. So let's have a look. 1, no. 2, 3, no. And 4 again. Oops. And with that, the Mul T Lock is open. Okay, so let's get it real quick and we will see what's inside. I'm curious. So guys, just to tell you now, the whole thing will fall apart, I'm pretty sure. So out with you. So the plate falls down, the ball bearing, the one ball bearing falls down, the shackle comes out, and the actuator and the other locking pole. So pretty much, as I said, the whole lock falls apart. But nevertheless, good thing is that it's relatively easy to reassemble. So let's have a look on what is on the inside. So I can afford to lock it back because I have the key. I think that will be a little bit easier. Right, so C-clip. Okay, I did make a mess of the bottom pins somewhere, so yeah, I did a mistake somewhere. Okay, never mind. Let's see what's down. So these are the 7 pins. They quite honestly look like standard pins, all of them, but let's dump them real quick. So 1 standard looks like, 2, 3, 4. So that would be number 6, that would be number 7, and come on, number 5, out you go. Let's see if we can press him out. There we go. So he's out as well. So nothing special on the core. I don't see any counter milling and there are the two other ones. Okay, so what do we have here? We have two spools. Everything else is a standard pin. There we have it. So that's the Mul T Lock padlock. A really nice lock to play with. So guys, thanks for watching and keep it legal. See you in the next video. Ciao. Hey guys, small addendum to the assembling of the or disassembling such a Mul T Lock. This one is, as I said, this is a half cylinder, and I just noticed something that you should be aware. Once you try to deassemble it, do be careful. As I can see here where the cut is, there is actually a small hole, and if this had happened to be on the bottom like that while I was removing the pins, any of the small pins that are any of the drivers that get caught in here basically will seize the lock permanently, and basically it would have ruined a perfectly good lock. So do be aware, there is a hole here and it could make a mess if you disassemble it or assemble it the wrong way. Okay guys, see you, bye.